case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court was drawn into a maze of political intrigue with the 2006 case of League of United Latin American Citizens v. Perry. The case centered around redistricting legislation enacted by the Texas state legislature in 2003 and the allegations that these changes violated several crucial rights of voters. At the heart of the controversy was the accusation of unconstitutional partisan gerrymandering meant to suppress minority voters and manipulate power. In 2003, Texas undertook a critical task, adopting a new redistricting plan for the 32 seats it holds in the United States House of Representatives. However, this strategic exercise of line drawing soon came under fire. A legion of appellants spearheaded by the League of United Latin American Citizens argued that the new district boundaries were an ingeniously crafted tool for partisan gain. They indicted the plan of violating the Voting Rights Act of 1965, infringing on the First Amendment, and ignoring the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The lower court initially upheld the plan, but the fight was far from over. The case eventually made its way to the Supreme Court, a turn of events that proved to be the downfall of the districting scheme. The Supreme Court conducted a meticulous examination and found glaring areas of concern. The redistricting of District 23 was deemed particularly problematic, as it did not provide Latinos with a fair chance to influence the political process despite representing the majority of the voting-age population. The court declared that the redistricting effort starkly violated Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act through its apparent attempt to dismantle a Latino-majority district to immunize the incumbent congressman. This led to the invalidation of one district, and the lower courts were instructed to revert to a previous plan. In an additional blow to the Texas legislature, the Supreme Court observed that the decision to redesign districts was primarily intended to bolster partisan advantage, a position starkly at odds with the principles of the Constitution. This finding shed light on the purpose behind the redistricting effort and signaled a profound disregard for minority voters and balanced representation. In a landmark ruling that underscored the pivotal role of the judiciary in preserving democratic fairness, the Supreme Court effectively rejected partisan maneuverings in the guise of redistricting. The outcome served as a stark reminder of the fact that political tactics, no matter how well orchestrated, cannot override fundamental rights and the rule of law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.